To manage your finances effectively, understanding how to work with your TSB Bank overdraft limit is crucial. An overdraft allows you to borrow money from your bank to cover short-term expenses. But it is essential to handle it wisely to avoid unnecessary charges. First, you need to check if you have an overdraft facility on your account. Log into your online banking or mobile banking app to view your account details. If you are unsure, you can visit your local TSB Bank branch or call their customer service number. If you have an overdraft, the next step is to understand the terms and conditions, including the overdraft limit, interest rate, and any fees associated with it. The overdraft limit is the maximum amount you can borrow, and going over this limit can result in additional charges. To apply for an overdraft or increase your existing limit, you can use the TSB Bank website, mobile app, or visit a branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to assess your creditworthiness. The bank may also consider your account history and credit score. It is vital to manage your overdraft wisely to avoid going into unarranged overdraft, which can be costly. Set up account alerts to notify you when you are approaching your overdraft limit. You can also use the mobile banking app to keep track of your account balance and transactions. To reduce your overdraft, make regular payments into your account. Consider setting up a direct debit to ensure you pay a fixed amount each month. You can also make one-off payments whenever possible. Best practice is to review your overdraft regularly and adjust your limit as needed. If you find that you are consistently using your overdraft, you may want to consider alternative borrowing options, such as a personal loan, which could be more cost-effective in the long run. In conclusion, understanding and managing your TSB Bank overdraft limit effectively is crucial for maintaining good financial health. By following these steps and being mindful of your account activity, you can make the most of your overdraft facility and avoid unnecessary charges. Always review the terms and conditions of your overdraft and seek advice if you are unsure about any aspect of your account.